replacement for your tractor, Gary. Oh, a lot of cutting height adjustment. Keyed axles that are plastic shim. Naturally, that won't go bad. Plastic transmission housing. Good for 2 months past the standard warranty. When you do your pedal, you shift this for reverse, and then you just push that down like a gas pedal. Or you shift it forward, and you just push your foot on it like a gas pedal. Swing assembly. Whatever the heck that is. Fuel pump built into the gas tank. So that's good. Wow. Another non-rebuildable cast iron axle. But at least they use heavier steel than on the other one. Single hookup point for the cutting deck. And aluminum towers. And it's got the deck with the lip going around it like on the Scots. Nice new style Briggs engine. Plastic hood hinge. Rubber wearing areas. Cheap steering. And the built-in fuel gauge. I'm sure that won't leak.